What class is next?
Sport?
Do you like sports?
Yes, I do. But I like music more. I love singing. What about you?
I don't like music because it is prohibited in Islam. Sorry. I didn't know this. I will give up listening music.
What time is it?
It's 12 o'clock. It's lunchtime. Let's go to the cafeteria and have lunch.
Yes, let's go. I'm starving. How is your lunch?
Alhamdulillah. It's delicious. I like meat very much. What about yours?
It's great. I have burger. It smells terrific. The school is over. It's time to go home.
Would you like to come over to my place in the afternoon and play cricket?
Yes, I would love to. Great. I can wait. Insha'Allah, see you later then.